Hi everyone, I was gifted a blood pressure monitor. It comes with a bag for storage. You get a charging cord, a very, very nice quick start guide, user manual, and then here is the device and the cuff. So what we're going to do today is a full demonstration. So we're gonna start with putting it together. So number one, you are going to take this part of the cuff and put it into the side of the machine and it just pops in. This is a look at the controls and I'll tell you more about those in a minute. But to measure, we are going to just press start. Okay, so I am going to put my arm through the cuff and you want the tube to be in the center of your arm. And then I'm going to wrap this around. Okay. And there's a little picture on here to help you. All right. Once this starts, I cannot talk. And so you want to have your feet flat on the floor, sitting comfortably and relaxed, and then turn it on.
Please remain seated and refrain from talking during measurement and keep the cuff at the heart level. Your blood pressure is systolic 117 millimeter of mercury pillar, diastolic 65 millimeter of mercury pillar. Your pulse is 67.
Hey, this is very easy to read, nice and big screen, and just great. More than one person can use this to record their blood pressure and pulse for the day. So all you're going to do is press the little person and you can choose one or two. You can see that up here. And then when you press start, it'll record for that person. The other thing that I like about this is I'm person number one. I can click right here and it is going to give me my average.
112 millimeter of mercury pillar, diastolic 64 millimeter of mercury pillar. Your pulse was 68.
I also love that you have the nice, loud audio. If you have trouble seeing or you forget your glasses, then it's just really, really nice. So, such a great monitor. You charge it right here. When you're finished, it just shuts off automatically. You can store everything in your bag. And I have tried a lot of blood pressure monitors, and I have to say, this one is really, really nice. Super easy to use, super compact. Love the big screen. Love that it's nice and loud and that you don't even have to read the screen. Love that two people can use it and that you have that memory function. It's just a really great cuff. Definitely check this one out.